Hi everyone. Hi ma'am. I am Reyes Janmark and today I'm going to discuss my simple project which is restaurant order. These lines import necessary Java libraries. Java Swing is for GUI components like GFrame, GTextField, JTable, and etc. Then the Java Swing Table default table model is for managing table data. Then the Java AWT is for layout managers and components. And the Java event is for handling user interaction like button clicks. And last is the Java SQL. It's for working with database using JDBC. Public class order management extends GFrame. This class extends GFrame, which means it's a window-based GUI application. In this line, private connection con means connection object for connecting to the MySQL database. Then name field, datable field, details field, status field are the text fields for order input. Order table is it's for display the orders in a table. Then the table model, it holds and manages the data shown in order table. Public class order management, set up database, set up UI, load orders. These are to connect the database and create the table if it doesn't exist. It's for set up database. Then set up UI, it builds the GUI interface. Then the load orders, it loads any existing orders from the database into GUI table. In this part, it creates the orders table if it doesn't already exist. If any error occurs, it shows an error message and exits the program. In this part, it sets the Windows title and size, uses border layout to organize the components. This is, this is to create input fields for customer name, table, number, order details, and status. This adds labels and fields to the input panel. In this part, adds a button that triggers add order when clicked. This part defines the table model and set only editable columns, including ID. These create the table and wrap it in a scroll pane. This part, it listens for changes in the table. If a user edits a cell, it automatically updates the database. This is where you delete an order. A panel that holds a button to delete selected orders, or on click calls delete orders. This retrieves data from input fields and validates them. Prepared statement used to insert new orders into a database. These parts, it adds the new order to GUI table, clears the input field for the next entry. So, in conclusion, this app allows creating new orders, viewing all orders in a table, editing orders data directly in the table, deleting selected orders. So, here are the output of my simple restaurant order management. Thank you.